Okay, check it. Do you know that there's a Tesla orbiting our solar system right now, and the car personally belongs to Elon Musk? Yeah, and that is the Tesla Roadster. Also, do you know that the first letters of Tesla models are precisely made to pronounce the word sexy? Well, close. They couldn't use E because it was claimed by GM models already. So they used 3. You know, 3 is like the mirrored version of E. That is super cool. Anyways, Tesla is an electric car company, and the company makes the most popular electric cars of the modern century. Yeah, I said modern century because the concept of electric cars has been around since the 19th century. In fact, a little bit earlier, in 1828, the Hungarian priest and physicist Angus Jedek invented a type of electric motors which he experimented on small car models. But in this video, I really want to focus on the modern century. I really want to focus on Tesla. Tesla was founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mike Tappinen. I hope I'm pronouncing their name right. Anyways, the name of the company was in the honor of the late Nikola Tesla, who invented the concept of alternating current that we still use till this day. The goal of Tesla was to produce electric sports cars. So in 2006, the Tesla Roadster was unveiled to the world, and the car went into production in 2008. Before this, Elon Musk was already part of the board of directors after investing $30 million into the company. Anyways, the Tesla Roadster was a smashing success because other companies that tried to make electric cars during that time failed drastically because they didn't really have the battery technology. But for some reason, Tesla was years ahead in terms of the battery technology. The Tesla Roadster could go on a single full charge 250 miles, and get this, the acceleration 0 to 60 was in 3.7 seconds. That is super fast. Anyways, in 2011, the company decided to take a refresh and start focusing on luxury sedans. So the Model S was introduced to the world, and it went into production in 2012. The Model S was a major hit. In fact, the car got a 5-star rating from so many automotive and environmental publications. The Model S sets a new benchmark for electric cars. On a single charge, the car has a range of 300 miles, and it goes 0 to 60 under 5 seconds. I mean, I know that doesn't sound impressive, but remember, this is a sedan, not actually a sport car. Anyways, let's move forward. In 2016, Tesla announced the Model 3. It was more like a facelift of the Model S. You know, kind of like Kylie Jenner before and after type of situation, if you know what I'm talking about. So the black nose was removed and the LED lights was removed, but autopilot was added to the Model 3. The most impressive thing about the Model 3 was that it has a top speed of 160 miles per hour. And catch this, everybody calm down, everybody calm down. The acceleration of the Model 3 is 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds. That was faster than the Bugatti Chiron. Bugatti Chiron can go 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. That is crazy. Around that same time, the Model X was also announced. This was a mid-size 7-seater SUV. This car was known for its Falcon doors. In fact, this was the first Tesla I ever saw. I actually saw it in, I think, David Dobrik's vlogs or something like that. And I fell in love with Tesla ever since. 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. Guys, this is an SUV. SUVs are big, chunky family car. This is a 7-seater car. It's not normal for that car to go that fast. Anyways, let's take a step back. In 2017, the Model 3 was refreshed. Tesla wanted to make really affordable cars so that more people will be able to afford their cars, because usually their cars ranges around 60,000 upwards of 200,000. Anyways, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. At this point, I'm not going to act like I'm really surprised. The Model Y was also announced 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. And that is not all. I told you the Tesla Roadster will be back. 0 to 60, guess what? 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. How can a human being survive that kind of speed? That is the question I'm having. Like, guys, do you know what 60 miles per hour feels like? Now, going to 0 to 60 in 1. I really can't wait to like experience that speed. When that car comes out, I think it's going to come out in 2023. That will be the fastest production car in both electric and combustion cars. Tesla announced the Tesla truck in 2019, and this car, it looks like Elon Musk just went home and just took one of his child painting and be like, this is going to be the next design of our new Tesla truck. The design of the Tesla truck is just so funny, but I can't stop looking at it. I feel like it was intentional. Every car that's competed with the Ford F-150 failed because they tried to copy the exact design of the Ford F-150. So Tesla decided to go the other way around and just made a truck that just looks like something that aliens built. Tesla is crazy. But my question is that how are Tesla able to achieve all this speed compared to combustion cars? Well, electric cars are more efficient than combustion cars because there are less moving parts in an electric car. Now, in a typical combustion car, before the power moves from the engine to the tires, it has to go through a lot of stages and processes, like from the engine to the transmission to the clutches to the gear to the wire, before it then moves on to different parts, then move on to the shaft, we then transfer the power to the tires. All this time that combustion cars is doing all this, electric cars are often like they have less moving parts, which makes them able to produce something called instant torque. The main component of an electric car is the EV battery. This is the amount of energy stored in the battery, also known as energy density. So for example, the Tesla Model S is rumored to have 100 kilowatts, which is equivalent to 762 horsepower. That is comparable to the Lamborghini Aventador. The thing about electric cars is that the higher the density of the battery, the faster the acceleration. But other factors comes into play when it comes to the acceleration of Tesla cars. Now, one of the main factors is the software. One of the roles of the software is to measure the grip in each tire and adjust the torque for maximum acceleration. Also, Tesla cars are all-wheel drive. There are motors at the front tires and there are motors at the back tires. So each tire is able to rotate at the required speed for maximum acceleration. And not only that, the tires on Tesla cars are made with certain patterns that allows for maximum grip with the road. It even gets better. Now, cooler. In most Tesla model, there's a mode called ludicrous mode. In this mode, the car battery is heated precisely to 122 degrees to increase the power output. And that gives the car up to extra 46 horsepower. So all the crazy speeds that I've been talking about the other time were just not normal mode. Ludicrous mode just takes it to extra level. I really love Tesla. I mean, do you want to talk about self-driving or being able to control your car with your smartphone or being able to summon your car to come over to you? I'm not really into cars like that. I'm not really into Lamborghinis and all that, Ferrari and all that stuff. I'm not really a car person like that, but Tesla is just an exception. Like I already told myself, it's either my legs or Tesla. Feature me, please. I hope you have a Tesla by now. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys for taking your time to watch this video. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and on this channel I make tech content. Well, my name is 11, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Money.